Can see like the juice is like coming out underneath it.
Taxi! Taxi! Oh, cute dog. Hi. Hi. SM Jazz. It's just straight down.
Hey guys, welcome back to Waka Waka. I just came back from a long day of just fixing my phone and installing some apps on my laptop. So I spent like, I don't know, 3 hours just running around and getting all of this done. So the new rules that you have to abide to in the Philippines here is that you have to wear a face mask, which was what I wore when I was leaving the house this morning. But then as I entered the taxi, the driver was like, you need to get a face shield, and I was like, where can I get a face shield? And he was like, if we don't get a face shield, I'm gonna get arrested for that. So just by the roadside, he turned around and I was able to purchase this. So this is 45 pesos. So I got this. So it has to go on top of the face mask, which is like an extra layer of protection basically. It goes like this. Like that. I guess so. This is compulsory now. So anywhere I go, I have to just go with this too, which is, I don't mind really. So I haven't had breakfast today. The taxi that I took actually went towards where my school is, and there's this place I usually go for lunch, which is known as the best burger in Manila. So I got lunch today, and I haven't had burger in like I don't know how many months already, which is just nice to share with you guys. I got my usual cheese burger like that. So it comes in this wrapper, and this is the brand's logo. Ecstasy, that's the name of the brand, and it comes like this. I need to place this, but my favorite size amongst like everything whenever I buy is this one, kamote fries. That's what it's called in the Philippines, and it's sweet potatoes, and back home potatoes are big things. So this is how they make it. They deep fry it, and then they sprinkle sugar on top of it like that. So I'll usually eat this before the burger, and I can't even tell. Before I knew about sweet ecstasy, I used to get my burger in another location also close to my school, and I was patronizing that place for 3 years. And one day a friend just was like, oh, let's go to sweet ecstasy, because the other place closed down. So I was like, okay, I'm really hungry anyway. And then I ordered the cheeseburger, and ever since I tried this, I never went back to my former place anymore, and I just stuck with this. I'm biting it from the wrong place. You can see like the juice is like coming out underneath it. Yeah. Like that. Oh yeah. I'm trying not to rush this because I haven't had it in a while. It's really good. I'm almost done. I think I rushed to the bed. I was so excited to just last bite. Eat it slowly, slowly. Now I'm gonna go back to the fries. This one I'm just gonna mince it. Thank you guys for having lunch with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the rest of the video. Bye.